fan on a manual switch, which is good, so just there. The temperature sits at 81, it went up to 84. Got it to 84, turned the fan on, it brought it down by a couple of degrees, which is good for sitting in traffic. Yeah, so the fan is manual there. It does drain from the regulator, so if you turn the fan on, then the lights aren't so great, but if you put the headlight on, then the lights aren't so great either. So indicators and stuff are all fine if you as long as you keep the headlight off. But yeah, so it's sitting now at 81 degrees. Obviously it's going to cool down, but yeah, really useful little clock, yo reel. Just goes in there. I mean, I've tucked it in and velcroed it on, and it's wedged in, but it runs the cable down here, around there, see it down there, drops into the top of the spark plug that's cabled in, and then the actual temperature goes onto the back of the radiator just there as well. I think it's a good bit of kit, 20 quid. You know, it gives me that read. At least you've got reassurance now that when the fan's on, I feel like it's hot all the time, but when the fan's on, it actually does start to cool it down. So as I say, let it go up to 84 degrees, then turn the fan on, it dropped it down to 81-ish. So pleased with that. Just got to put some new tyres on it now, and then jobs are good. And I don't know what people moan about these kick starts. I'm 5'9", and you know, yes, I'm not tall, but kicking it over's all right. Not too bad. Just turn the fuel off and have that be done.